proverb. Sorry, I'm cleaning this my mushroom house. I usually clean this once in 3 days or so. I just mop everywhere because you know I'm always pouring water so that the place will be dry and neat. Okay? That's why I do it. So when I was cleaning this thing, something came to my mind. Some platforms are not paying African content creators. Maybe let me use an example. For instance, Facebook, they don't grant live access, star access to Nigerian content creators. They don't give them star. And it reminded me of a proverb my dad used to tell me back then. He will tell me that Nana the natural to wire. What it means is that they will look at you. Then the stick we call ozu is like stick that I might have eaten in the village. I might have eaten it so much. That's what we call ozu. So they will look at the stick and look at the stick and see that this stick I can break it. It's not something I cannot break. Then you will just hit it, bam, and it will break. Because it's sandy. It's filled with sand. But if you see that stick that you cannot break, you see it that is very heavy, you already know you cannot break it. You won't even go near to try to touch it so that you will not break your waist. That's how it is. You see this our Nigerian space because of the way our country is. That's why things like that is happening to us. If not, I was thinking, I said, this star that we are talking about, is it not gift? It's gift. Like as I'm making this live video, you like me, you gift me, right? That's how this star is. It's gift that people have given you. It's not as if is what you, how am I going to put it? It's not as if it's something you generated from adverts, from maybe adverts of the content or something. It's gifts that people gave you because they like you. But then what happens? They come back and they will now tell you that you are not eligible for collecting gifts because you are in this type of country. Oh, they can't gift you because you are in that type of country. Why? I don't know the reason behind. Maybe some people have abused it. I don't know the reason behind that. I'm just sitting. If not the kind of country we have, how can somebody tell me that I'm not eligible to collect gifts? That is why I keep telling women, even in marriages, that's how it is. If your husband see that your family is nothing, and the person is not a good person, because good men are still available. There are a lot of good men, and don't ever misuse their goodness, because if your husband see that your family is nothing, he can just beg you or match you. What he will do is what? He will just go straight and then deal with you. Why? Because even if he does anything to you from now till 10 years, there's nobody that can help you. That's how it is. So that's why you see me working hard. Me that I wasn't born with a silver spoon. I work so hard to change my future and to an extent that of my children, for them to get more respect. I don't collect people's own. I just do my thing. I do this one, do this one, do this one. So people used to tell me, Helen, how do you manage to do all these things? How I manage to do all these things is because if I look at where I'm coming from, I see that there's no hope. I will do times 10. But all my body will become work. I'll be doing this. Okay, see me, I'm not being here, I'm doing life. Just to make sure that I show up today. I'm doing everything to change my destiny. The business I'm doing is not even my money, it's low. But I'm doing all these things to change my destiny. Because I don't want my destiny, my children's destiny, to be like my own. I also want their destiny, at least let them start from somewhere. Let them not go and start from scratch like my own. My own is not easy on me, but at least. And I pray that God will give me good children that will understand that I'm suffering. Because some children, they will still not understand that you are suffering. When you leave it now, tomorrow you are not around. They will finish it like business. But God will help us. So at least we'll do 1 or 2 investments that our children can meet. Because we don't have any from our parents. See my mushroom. My harvest this morning. I usually harvest. Then once I've harvested, I will mop the place. After mopping the place, I can now water it. That's how I do it. Okay? Because I just want, at least, since my destiny is the way it is, let my children's destiny not be like my own. So I'm working hard for it. I'm not going to collect somebody's own, and somebody will not collect my own in Jesus' name. Join me, let me water this mushroom. So you see how I'm doing it, okay? Let me water this mushroom. So that you see how I'm doing it. It's rainy season, so I don't really water it that much. Oh, please don't forget to like this video. Eh? You're watching me, you're not liking this video so that you're going to be recommending it. And what did I get? My husband got this one for me. He said the other one is stressful. And I'll just be backing it on my back. It's too stressful for me. This one and my next tomorrow is ready. This 1, 2, 3, 4 will be ready by tomorrow. 5, 6, 7. This one is giving out to 3 different times. Giving out to 3 different times. It will be ready by tomorrow. 8. It's okay. Because I just water it till I feel that water is dropping. Water is not up to 1 bucket anyway. So, bye-bye. Love you. Drop your opinion in the comment section, okay? See my hair. Don't laugh at me, Don't laugh at me. Bye-bye.